This is how everyday materials are transformed into the products we use. In the quiet countryside of Southeast Asia, an unusual livestock industry is at work. Behind these gates, thousands of pythons are raised under controlled conditions. Inside, the pythons are kept in carefully monitored, climate-controlled enclosures. These powerful reptiles can grow over 4 meters in length. Temperature and humidity are carefully maintained to support healthy growth. In a separate room, eggs are incubated under stable, controlled conditions. After nearly 2 months, the first signs of life begin to appear. Each hatchling begins its life under careful supervision. As they grow, each young python is housed separately and carefully monitored. Feeding follows a strict schedule designed to ensure steady, healthy development. Each python is weighed and recorded, tracking its growth over time. Regular health checks ensure the animals remain in stable condition. Strict sanitation procedures reduce disease and maintain safe living conditions. When they reach market size, selected pythons move to the processing unit. Processing takes place in a controlled, hygienic industrial environment. Each animal is logged and tracked to ensure full product traceability. Before processing begins, trained staff handle each animal with controlled precision. The skin is carefully removed and prepared for further treatment. The skin is thoroughly cleaned to remove residue before further treatment. Each hide is stretched evenly, preparing it for the tanning stage. During tanning, the hides are treated to increase durability and flexibility. After treatment, each piece is inspected to meet export quality standards. Each finished hide is examined carefully before final approval. Selected leather is then cut into components for commercial products. The meat is prepared in sanitary conditions for local and export markets. Each portion is vacuum sealed to preserve freshness and ensure safety. Products are stored at controlled temperatures before shipment. From here, shipments move toward regional and international markets. Finished products are exported through global trade networks.
Python leather is transformed into durable consumer products.
From breeding to export, the process is structured, controlled, and industrial.
If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.